Hi, today we are going to talk about 10 interesting facts about penis. Number one, a male baby first time in his life gets erection in the mother's womb. The baby crosses 6 months, baby gets erection. Before delivery, frequent erection we can notice. We can see baby is erect penis is passing urine also by ultrasound. Through ultrasound, we can frequently see that erection and penile erection. So, first erection happens in the mother's womb. Number two, size of the penis, what we see outside is only 50%. Rest of the 50% is hidden inside the body. Penis is not appearing from the skin. It 50% is hidden inside the body. So when you become obese, buried penis will be more and more. Outside, whatever we see is less and less. Third, initially there was a myth throughout the world. Our penis size is the shoe size. But it is not true. Several research has been conducted and they have found out that the size of the penis is not relevant to the penis size, real size. And fourth is morning erections. During sleep, males they get frequent erections, 3 to 4 times erections in deep sleep. Early morning, because of bladder, full bladder, urine filled bladder causes erection. So this is one of the indication for normal erection, normal erectile function. Erectile dysfunction, there may be an absence of morning erection. Fifth, some people they have erection during death. We can see during hanging, gunshot death. They have noticed strong erection during death. Fracture of penis. Like bone, penis get fractured. In an erect penis, sudden weight or pressure applied, it will be broken. This occurs commonly in female on top position. Female suddenly they sit and put their entire weight on the penis. Sometimes they get penile fracture. We don't have ejaculatory control. Males, 80% of males, they ejaculate within 2 minutes. So, to have a control on ejaculation, they need some sort of training, or they can use some medicines so that they can do normal sex, prolonged sex, satisfy their partner. Ninth, there is 2 types of penis, grower penis and shower penis. Grower penis is small penis, but when it gets erect, it will be very big. Shower penis, when we see normally, it is big, but only 20%, 30% erection only we can see during erection, not very big. So, 10th, cornflakes. What we are taking cornflakes today, initially it was manufactured for preventing the masturbation. They thought masturbation is a sin. To stop the masturbation, they have manufactured cornflake. Now we take it for breakfast. So these are all the interesting facts of penis. Thank you.